Number 1. Endeavor, meaning a serious or determined attempt or effort. Synonyms: effort, attempt, trial. Antonyms: neglect, inactivity. Explanation: used to describe the UN's attempt to phase out plastic pollution. Number 2. Unanimous, meaning fully in agreement. Synonyms: united, concordant, in unison. Antonyms: divided, discordant. Explanation: refers to the collective agreement of nations on addressing plastic pollution. Number 3. Pipe dream, meaning an unattainable or fanciful hope or scheme. Synonyms: illusion, fantasy. Antonyms: reality, practicality. Explanation: the notion that better recycling alone can solve the plastic crisis. Number 4. Indispensability, meaning the quality of being absolutely necessary. Synonyms: necessity, essentiality. Antonyms: superfluity, dispensability. Explanation: indicates the economic reliance on plastics. Number 5. Perspective, meaning a particular attitude or point of view. Synonyms: viewpoint, outlook. Antonyms: bias, prejudice. Explanation: refers to the need for fresh ideas to resolve the stalemate. Number 6. Impasse, meaning a situation where no progress is possible. Synonyms: deadlock, stalemate. Antonyms: breakthrough, resolution. Explanation: describes the halted discussions among nations. Number 7. Martial law, meaning temporary military control of normal civil functions or suspension of civil law. Synonyms: military rule, emergency control. Antonyms: civil law, democracy. Explanation: describes the extreme measure taken by UN which backfired. Number 8. Dictatorship, meaning absolute authority by a ruler or government. Synonyms: tyranny, autocracy. Antonyms: democracy, freedom. Explanation: refers to South Korea's historical period of military dictatorship. Number 9. Proclamation, meaning a public or official announcement. Synonyms: declaration, announcement. Antonyms: silence, withholding. Explanation: describes UN's announcement of martial law. Number 10. Impeachment, meaning the process of charging a public official with misconduct. Synonyms: accusation, indictment. Antonyms: exoneration, vindication. Explanation: refers to the opposition's effort to impeach UN. Number 11. Criticized, meaning to express disapproval of someone or something. Synonyms: condemned, censured. Antonyms: praised, applauded. Explanation: refers to public and political criticism of UN's decisions. Number 12. Prolong, meaning to extend the duration of something. Synonyms: extend, elongate. Antonyms: shorten, curtail. Explanation: refers to UN's attempt to continue his unpopular regime. Number 13. Intervention, meaning the action of intervening, especially to prevent something undesirable. Synonyms: mediation, interference, involvement. Antonyms: withdrawal, neglect. Explanation: emphasizes the need for agricultural and industrial remedies. Number 14. Judiciously, meaning with good judgment or sense. Synonyms: wisely, prudently, sensibly. Antonyms: recklessly, imprudently, foolishly. Explanation: discusses the approach needed to manage state challenges. Number 15. Buoyant, meaning cheerful and optimistic. Synonyms: upbeat, hopeful, resilient. Antonyms: downcast, pessimistic, gloomy. Explanation: describes Ajit Pawar's reaction. Number 16. Consensus, meaning general agreement. Synonyms: accord, harmony, unanimity. Antonyms: disagreement, discord, conflict. Explanation: needed in governance for inclusive progress. Number 17. Transgression. Meaning: an act that goes against a law, rule, or code of conduct, an offense. Synonyms: violation, infringement, breach. Antonyms: compliance, obedience, adherence. Explanation: refers to China's actions along the line of actual control, LAC. Number 18. Contingent. Meaning: dependent on certain conditions or circumstances. Synonyms: conditional, dependent, provisional. Antonyms: unconditional, absolute, definitive. Explanation: India's stance that normal relations are contingent on resolving LAC tensions. Number 19. Euphemism. Meaning: a mild or indirect word or expression substituted for one considered too harsh or blunt. Synonyms: understatement, substitution, delicacy. Antonyms: dysphemism, bluntness, directness. Explanation: refers to the term buffer zones used diplomatically. Number 20. Substantial. Meaning: of considerable importance, size, or worth. Synonyms: significant, considerable, meaningful. Antonyms: insignificant, trivial, minor. Explanation: pertains to the depth of statements made by Indian officials. Number 21. Ambiguity. Meaning: the quality of being open to more than one interpretation. Synonyms: vagueness, uncertainty, equivocation. Antonyms: clarity, precision, certainty. Explanation: represents the unclear status of LAC agreements. Number 22. Status quo. Meaning: the existing state of affairs. Synonyms: current state, situation, existing condition. Antonyms: change, revolution, upheaval. Explanation: the RBI's decision to maintain the benchmark interest rate highlights its intent to preserve the status quo. Number 23. Optimistic. Meaning: hopeful and confident about the future. Synonyms: positive, hopeful, sanguine. Antonyms: pessimistic, doubtful, negative. Explanation: describes the outlook on economic projections. Number 24. Silicosis. Meaning: a lung disease caused by inhaling silica dust. Synonyms: pulmonary fibrosis, respiratory disease. Antonyms: healthy lungs, contextual opposite. Explanation: the central issue affecting mine workers due to prolonged exposure to silica dust. Number 25. Hamper. Meaning: to hinder or impede progress. Synonyms: obstruct, hinder, impede. Antonyms: facilitate, assist, aid. Explanation: describes how silica particles disrupt lung function. Number 26. Ameliorate. Meaning: to make something better or less severe. Synonyms: improve, alleviate, mitigate. Antonyms: worsen, aggravate, exacerbate. Explanation: suggests efforts to improve the conditions of affected workers. Number 27. Obligate. Meaning: to bind legally or morally to an action. Synonyms: compel, require, mandate. Antonyms: free, exempt, release. Explanation: medical practitioners are obligated to report cases of silicosis. Number 28. Mitigate. Meaning: to make less severe or serious. Synonyms: alleviate, reduce, diminish. Antonyms: aggravate, intensify, worsen. Explanation: efforts to mitigate the effects of silicosis on workers. Number 29. Inequity. Meaning: lack of fairness or justice. Synonyms: injustice, unfairness, disparity. Antonyms: equity, fairness, justice. Explanation: highlights inequalities in addressing silicosis in marginalized workers. Number 30. Hasten. Meaning: to accelerate or move quickly. Synonyms: expedite, speed up, rush. Antonyms: delay, slow, procrastinate. Explanation: relates to the potential impact of price cooling measures. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If this video added value to your day, see you next time with more exciting content. Your support keeps us motivated.